Рахлин важи за еден од најдобрите виолинисти на денешницата, голем број настапи зад него, со голем број на познати светски диригенти и оркестри. Морам да кажам дека заинтересираноста кај граѓаните беше прилично голема, голем број од нив дојдоа овде за да го проследат божикниот концерт, а за оние кои не успеа да дојдат тука, екипата на телевизија Нова ќе се обиде преку малите екрани да ја долови атмосферата од тука за и нашите гледачи да можат да поуживаат во изведбата на светски познатиот виолинисти на Македонската филхармонија. Нашиот тим успеа да направи едно кратко интервју со него. Во продолжение ве предлагам да го проследиме интервјуто со светски познатиот виолинист Джулиан Рахлин.
Well, for me, music is my religion. It's my hobby. It's my profession. It's my passion. So for me, it's always a very special moment to go on stage. A very big part of my life is dedicated to music and to this moment. That for me, it's a very special moment. Yes, I always wanted to be a cellist. So unfortunately, this is not big enough for a cello. But my father is a cellist, and this has always been my passion. But it didn't happen, and I'm still also happy to have a life in music on the violin, on the viola. I play viola. This is the nearest I can get to the cello as a violinist. And of course now I'm quite serious about the conducting activities, and also I'm teaching at the Vienna University. So it's a lot of things and different ways to experience the classical music. I think wonderful, yes. We're very much looking forward. It's a Christmas Day here, and I think it will be a wonderful celebration. It's a great pleasure and joy to work with this orchestra. So we have a very festive program today, and it should be really a nice way to start the new year for all of us. I love it. They're so flexible orchestra, wonderful musicians, and I've been 3 or 4 times to the Ohrid festival. So it's my first appearance here in Skopje. So I've been having a beautiful time. Even managed to walk a little bit and to have fantastic food. My favorite is the sarma with the cabbage. But anyways, it's a wonderful experience here, and I think we will have a wonderful concert.